grow into strongly rooted trees that can withstand the parasites of misunderstanding, winds of ignorance, and waters of miscommunication. Thank you, teachers, house mothers, matrons, and all the caretakers. In every smile, every tear, and every cheer, they were always there for me through the years, supporting and giving all the energy that is needed to stand in this game called life. One of the reasons that Ecole became even more lively for me is my juniors. Their gestures of love and respect have made me feel extremely special each day. To my batch of 2015-16, we have spent some of the greatest years in school. We have laughed and cried together, shared dorms and even clothes. No matter how much we fought, but at the end of the day, we are the craziest lot. Each of us no less than a 5-year-old. The good and the hard times have just drawn us closer. With this, I wish you well in pursuit of life. To my prefects and partners in crime, without your support, I would not have been able to function as a leader. Thank you for the lessons I could learn from you. I cannot sign off today without acknowledging the ones because of whom I stand here today. My parents, you are a blessing for which I will always be grateful. I love and appreciate you more than I can fathom into words. Whenever I have debated over nature and nurture, I have always favored nature, but Ecole changed my view. Today, I won't hesitate to say in front of my parents that nurture plays an equal role in shaping young minds. That's what Ecole has done. It has nurtured me. My highest praise to the person who has influenced me the most, my Lord and my Savior, the one who showed the time. He carried me through it all. It is evident that Ecole will help you develop, and it succeeds in creating all-rounders, in creating articulate and ambitious young women. I believe that this is the real testament to the dedication of our wonderful teachers, as well as the hard work and commitment of the girls. I would not think twice before telling every Ecolier that you will surely leave a lasting impression wherever you go. And I have been fortunate enough to have been a part of this exciting journey. At the end of this, when I am left to analyze the success of my time and to see if I have left a part of myself behind, I do so not by counting the number of medals, trophies, and certificates, but by counting the blessings that I have received from the people around me. Ecole has taught me to live in such a way that when we leave any place, a part of us still lives behind. Ecole has been a blessing to me, and it will always be in my prayers. Thank you.
The prime strength of every institution lies in leadership. Thank you, Gunisha. We now have the awards for the annual sports meet 2015-16. The best house from sub-junior goes to Ignis House.
The best house junior goes to Air.
The best house from the senior category goes to Terra House.
Best athlete, sub-junior goes to Air.
We have Tushika and Suhasini from Ignis also have winning the award. We have Veduri from Terra, Tushika and Suhasini from Ignis. It's shared jointly by 3 girls. From the junior categories, the best athletes come from two houses, Rhea from Terra and Anusha from L. And now, from the senior category, we have Alia from Terra and Kavya from Terra as well. We will have your individual award arriving very shortly. And now, the award for the March Past goes to Terra. And now, the most awaited overall championship award goes again to Terra. May we have the house mother on stage as well.
May I now invite the chief guest, Mr. Rana, to address us all.
Very good evening, everybody. It is really a pleasure indeed to be here after 3 years. I saw this school for the first time 3 years back with only 50 children. And today the school is bubbling with life. The credit goes to all the children, all the staff members, and especially to Shri Amarjit ji, whose untiring efforts have led this school to one of the rarest schools in India. You will find many schools across the country who which give only bookish knowledge. The results will be excellent in so far as academics are concerned. But in the schools run by Amarjit ji, whether it is Asian school or Ecole, I found the children growing into complete human beings. Maybe in academics, in co-curricular activities, in human values, which are very, very important for each one of us in today's society. Through the report card, I came to know the children of this school are bringing laurels from everywhere they are going. In art competition, sports, shooting, debates, all of them are working very well, in fact. I hope the school further grows into one of the best schools in the country, and the children of this school, they become very useful, very wonderful children of the society of our country. Thank you all very much.
Mr. Rana is also requested to release the annual school magazine, The Banyan.
For the chief guest being presented by Gunisha Arora. We now request the dignitaries on stage to take their place in the audience.
Tom Stoppard, a British playwright, was born in Czechoslovakia in July 1937. Stoppard left as a child refugee fleeing imminent Nazi occupation. He has spent 3 years in a boarding school in Darjeeling, in the Indian Himalayas, and has been educated at schools in Nottingham and Yorkshire. He was knighted in the year 1997. He has written prolifically for the television, radio, and film. He has received 1 Academy Award and 4 Tony Awards. May I now invite on stage Mr. Alok Ulfat, the director of the next performance, to enlighten us about his production.
Roshni, DJ please. Roshni, welcome each one of you on behalf of the school ensemble, theatre ensemble, and I'm very excited to see what they bring out to you this evening. It's been an amazing journey to explore time. ये जो नाटक है ये टाइम के ऊपर आधारित है. समय क्या है? एक समय जो घड़ी है और एक समय जो आपके भीतर चलता रहता है. तो इन दोनों की कश्मकश में 2 लोगों की जिंदगी की कहानी है आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं. मैं ज्यादा बोलना नहीं चाहता नाटक के बारे में, क्योंकि नाटक ही अपने आप में बहुत कुछ बोलता है. मुझे सबसे पहले बहुत खुशी है कि आप सब लोग यहाँ हैं, और खुशी बड़ी मुश्किल से मिलती है. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच. एक बार जोरदार ताली हो जाए. दिल धड़कता रहे और तालियां बजती रहे. दैट्स द होप थिंग. बिकॉज इससे पहले बहुत गंभीर बातें हुई, जरूरी बातें हुई और थोड़ी मस्ती हो जाए. बट इसके पहले मैं आप सबके साथ 1 मिनट शेयर करना चाहूंगा, और वो 1 मिनट खामोशी का. सिर्फ हम जानना चाहेंगे कि ये खामोशी हमको क्या देती है. 1 मिनट का साइलेंस, एंड योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ.